In this video, you will learn how to merge cells in Excel. There are 4 different ways to do that. In this example, we have created some example school report. For a better understanding of the process, I am copying the table here. This is the header of the school report. It would look much nicer when it comes to the center. So, let's fix this. Step 1. Go to the Home tab. You can see the Merge and Center option in the Alignment section. Click this small triangle, and here you can find the 4 different options available. These options are used to merge and unmerge the cells. Let's start with the first option. Select the cells that you want to merge together. Select the option Merge and Center. Now you have the text in the center. If you don't want to center the text, then choose Merge Cells. It will make the cells merge, but not centered. We want the text to appear in the middle, so we are choosing Merge and Center. Now it looks nice and centered. Still, we have a couple other options. Let's move on to the second option. Select the cells where you want to use the Merge Across option. Now click on Merge Across. This is creating space for sentences or phrases. While formatting a table of contents, sometimes you might also need to unmerge cells. To get the cells back to their original state, select the cell that you want to unmerge, then click on the last option, Unmerge Cells. Each cell is now separated. It's done. That's pretty straightforward. Before I wrap up the video, I just want to tell you one thing. Before entering text, merge cells. Let's see here. Each cell has some values. On trying to merge the cells in Excel will display a warning message that the cells will be merged. But only data in the top left corner will be shown in the merged data. The contents of the rest of the cells will be deleted. Only this cell remains, and the data from the other cells are deleted. We hope this helps. Thanks for watching.